Good morning, guys. It's Monday, and I have just been kind of laying around doing work on my phone and on the computer a little bit. But now I've got to get started cleaning this house. I've got to film Watch Me Clean Wednesday, and I've got to go get groceries and do a bunch of stuff. So I'm really not feeling very motivated either. So I have trash there that needs to go out, and toys everywhere because Kinsley had her little birthday party last night. Her birthday is not until Tuesday, tomorrow, but we celebrated yesterday. Do you want to go outside? Bailey has been so naughty this morning. She keeps wanting to go outside, but then she keeps digging holes. So, and you see that fuzz right there? That was my lawn chair cushion thingy that she destroyed. So yeah, she keeps wanting to go out there so she can be a bad girl. Oh, now she's peeing. But anyways, I've got to get dressed and get ready so that I can clean up this house, get some laundry done, and then I'm going to have to go get groceries and stuff. And this is all of the gift bags for Kinsley's little classmates. Not this one, but those. And then Madeline made her cupcakes. She was so excited to make cupcakes for her. And she made this little cake, which I thought was so cute because she put like icing in the middle layers and everything. And she had candles in it and everything for her, which was really cute. And then her and her friend made these cupcakes. They were trying to make a unicorn shape and it didn't quite work out. But it's okay because it was their first try. So she really likes to bake. So I let her do that. But yeah, I took her. What are you doing? What you doing? So yeah, it is Monday and I'm not feeling it. So I'm just going to force myself to get up and start doing stuff. And this is also a collab with my friend Mary. She is also an Army wife. They have 3 little kiddos. They're stationed in Texas. And she does videos pretty much just like mine. Lots of cleaning videos and cooking videos and vlogs. She did a week in the life over on her channel as well. So if you want to check that out, I will have it linked in the description box for you guys. Also, on a side note, I feel like her voice is very calming. So if you like soothing and calming voices, she is really awesome to listen to. It's Tuesday. It's actually Kinsley's birthday today. So she's been at school all day and she brought cupcakes to her friends and little gift bags. And now I'm going to pick her up. I have a nail appointment to get my nails filled. And she's coming with me to that. And then when I'm done there, we are gonna come home and she's gonna get her present from us, which I'm excited to show you guys what it is, and I think she's gonna love it. So yeah.
Mom, you take them out.
Yeah, I'll get it out. Whoa! Did you have a good birthday? Are you excited to see what Mommy and Daddy got you? I'm excited to show you. Okay, she got this from her teachers. So I'm going to open that up and then we're going to head to my nail appointment because Mommy's got to get her nails done. Are you going to be a good girl there? Yeah? Okay.
Open me again.
What do you say? Okay.
How much do you?
I want the bare minimum, but you can see like it's a lot. I feel like probably all that needs to go.
Right here?
Yeah.
Do you want to keep it?
Yes, I want to keep it. 100%.
I'm going to put some water in your hair, okay?
You're being such a big girl. It's not going to be short either, so don't worry. I know you're worried we're going to cut all your hair off.
No way, it won't be short.
Just a little bit. It'll probably look longer.
Is this her first haircut?
Yes. It's her birthday. She's 4. And this is her first haircut, so.
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
I know. That's a long time to not cut your kid's hair.
Yeah.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it, you think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay?
Do you want some glitter spray? I have gold or purple.
Ooh, which one do you want?
Purple? Yeah? Okay. Just makes it shiny.
Fancy.
What do you think?
You like it? Do you see all the hair she cut off right here?
Back.
Look at there. It looks so much healthier. What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, she's trying to look. I'll show you on the camera, okay? You want mommy to take a picture?
Here.
Let's go.
Hi, Mommy's car.
What do you think?
Remember your Jeep? That's your new Jeep. You want to get in and drive it?
Yeah.
Can I get in with her?
I don't think you like it.
I did.
Remember the button? There's a pedal down there.
But where's that thing right
I'll push it down for you.
You gotta steer.
Steer it. Help her steer it, Mama.
Goes fast.
That's low gear. Here, go on up here. Turn reverse. Stop. Turn reverse. We'll go back on the concrete. Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna get out.
Okay, go.
Come on.
Here, watch how Mama sit. I'm not sure what this
Is
is.
it a toy?
I think so, but I don't know if it is or not. It might be a Christmas present. We might not get to see what's in it. Let me go get the knife.
Okay. Yay! I'm right.
How perfect is this? Open it up.
Mommy.
What is that? Oh, it's a remote control car. How cool.
It has Pinkie Pie.
That's Pinkie Pie? You want to get it out and see it go? Okay.
What's the... I don't know why this one's not open.
So this one makes it turn around, I think. This one makes it go forward, and let me see, move your thumb. I think that's just the horn. So you go forward and then turn. Whoa, it turns fast.
Why is this one not working?
That's just the horn and noises. So this one moves it and this one turns it around. So push this one.
This
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, and this little dude is going to get his hair cut, aren't ya? I scheduled him, well, I texted her this morning to get him in, and she was like, we have a cancellation. Do you want to bring him in today? And I was like, yes, because he needs it. So that's what we're doing. He's pretty excited.
Something for my birthday, and I get to open it when we get home.
Yes, so what she's saying is that when we were leaving, we had a package on the porch from her grandma, and as soon as we get home, she gets to open it. It's for her birthday, because her birthday was yesterday. So we're gonna run and drop him off quick, and then we're gonna come home.
There's a place in the sun that she's never been, where life is fair and time is a friend.
Happy Friday, everybody. So I'm not really feeling it today. Look at the cute doggies. But my house is crazy messy, so I'm trying to get up and clean even though I really don't want to. But I figured it would be fun to kind of show you guys the before and after, because I always enjoy seeing that. It's satisfying. So this is my kitchen. And I saw my living room, my table. My living room's not too bad. And my bedroom, I've already started washing up the sheets. I took the sheets off the bed. I'm washing those. I've got to get this laundry in the laundry hamper. And I'm going to clean up my bathroom just a little bit. Need to take the stuff off the counter and just wipe it down a little bit. And then I need to clean the floors, but I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you once everything's clean. Won't we? Tucker, you say hi. See, I got my haircut. Oh, I gotta go put your sweater on you. You wanna go get your sweater? Cause you got a haircut. You so cold now? Are you so cold now, baby boy? Are you so cold? Let's go get your sweater. Bailey thinks he's her new toy now. You got your Christmas sweater? You got your Christmas sweater on? Oh. What do you think about it? Tucker, you look so handsome. He's not your new toy though. You understand? You understand? Can you not bite me, please? That hurts. No. No. Hey, sit. Sit. Bailey May, sit. Good. Paw. Good girl. I love you. Oh, you're such a crazy thing. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get for me vlogging anyways, because my sheets are still washing. They're gonna have to dry, and by the time I get them put on, it's just gonna be too late. So my room is clean, but those sheets are still washing. And I already showed you the bathroom, so I guess I'll go show you the kitchen now. So it's pretty clean, at least cleaner than it was. I have some stuff there that I need to put away, and then the dishes need to be washed, but I just honestly didn't feel like doing them, so I'm not. But I have the dishwasher running, and the counters are cleaned off, and the noise you hear is my vacuum vacuuming up. I'm going to run the Dyson in here though, because I've got pieces of her dog toy that she shred up. So I'm going to vacuum the rug, but I'm going to let it do the majority of the work. Hi! Give her balloon. But yeah.
You did?
Yeah, from Lucas.
Lucas.
Yeah, he had a birthday.
Well, that's
Alright, we're gonna...
Lucas had a birthday.
and this is gonna break soon.
What is it?
Ball.
Oh.
That's my ball from Goodie Bag.
Yeah, it's your ball from the goodie bag. Sit back.
Yeah, it's seriously gonna crack.
You are
Is this
a
like
mess.
glue or something?
Can I have that?
Yeah, don't try to break it.
I'm not.
Just let it be.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna bounce it to you and you're gonna bounce it to me.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby.